I had a chance to check out East 6th Street area of Austin on a Friday night after playing music at Fierce Whiskers Distillery in Austin. So this is the area of East Austin that's regarded to be east of Highway 35 and north of the river. And like many areas of Austin, this place has changed a lot, especially in the past 10 or 15 years or so. There's been a lot of growth and development and even transformation here. And the area that I'm featuring in this video is a walk along East 6th Street in Austin. And so this is the area of 6th Street that's east of Highway 35, as opposed to Dirty 6th Street, which is on the other side of the highway and more ghetto. This place is more upscale. So the East 6th Street neighborhood is pretty hipster and vibrant, popular, trendy, and quite gentrified. They have a line of bars here all along many blocks that make this one of the most popular nightlife destinations in Austin. And when I'm hanging out here, I often like to go for a walk along and just check out the mood of the city all along here. Many people are temporary visitors that you might find hanging out here, or they're younger people who moved here recently. So there are a lot of bars and restaurants. You can find some cocktail here. You can find some patios, food trucks scattered about, including food truck parks. And then you got like vintage shops and galleries. There's a small grocery store around here. Many murals that you can find on the side of buildings and on walls that line the sidewalks, and there's apartments and condos scattered about. If you walk a few blocks off along this road, you can find some of the modern looking homes that'll have a Tesla in the driveway, mixed right up in with the older homes that have collected a lot of things out there on the front yard. So when you go on a weekend like a Friday or a Saturday here, you'll find many people that are walking along the sidewalks here, bar hopping along this area. You'll find people who are taking the scooters and rolling around on the scooters here. And there's quite a lot of cars that pass through here. Some of them may be Ubers dropping people off. Other cars are probably people who are just looking for a nice place to grab their next drink for the night. As I mentioned, there's a lot of restaurants here. One of the notable ones for its history is Cisco's restaurant, which goes back many decades. An original here in the East Austin neighborhood, serving up some Tex-Mex. In terms of those restaurants and cocktail bars, there's been a number that have been featured in this video through the footage, like the Volstead Lounge. There's a place called Grackle, and there's a Liberty Bar. There's a inn called In Cahoots, which has a number of places for drinks right there, and the Austin Garden and Studio Rooftop Bar is one of them that I caught. There's Latchkey. There's a place called Whistlers, which is really popular. And in terms of live music, right there on one of the corners there, I walk by it quite a bit. There's a place called Il Brutto, which I assume is mostly filled with visitors, but they do feature some kind of background music. They feature bands there sometimes when I've been walking by. Hotel Vegas and the Volstead Lounge are really popular for hosting live music, and so those are good nightlife spots here to catch that. The historic Scoot Inn is also right here. I haven't caught a show there yet, but when they do have shows, there's a lot of people that are coming out to them. On this night, I was able to catch an epic lineup of music at the White Horse. The White Horse gets pretty packed on a Friday and Saturday night. Sometimes the line can extend all the way to the sidewalk there with folks trying to get in, and it can get pretty packed inside too, with a mixture of people who strongly identify as dancers and others who become dancers when they've had 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 drinks. So this was an epic lineup of Austin bands here on this night, from the Mellows to Croy and the Boys to Sentimental Family Band, going on at midnight. But turning back to earlier in the day, I was excited for this reason to come into Austin to play a gig at Fierce Whiskers Distillery. This is whiskey distilled, aged, and bottled in the inconsiderable village of Austin. So I enjoyed playing music for this crowd on this night.
White knuckle, do you really wanna feel white knuckle? White knuckle, do you really wanna feel white knuckle? You got the red lights on the highway, siren passing by, stop signs and alarm clocks, no parking sign. You're following the straight and narrow, easy along the way. Oh, it's a hard way to make a living, and I did every single day. When you got that white knuckle, do you really wanna feel white knuckle? White knuckle, do you really wanna feel white knuckle?
Thanks for checking out this video. I'm posting all about touring around Texas and the music scene of Texas. So click on my YouTube channel and check out those thumbnails there. See which topics interest you and check out those videos. And thank you for your support.